Okay, so pretty much this is going to be a how-to video on how to remove your steering wheel, because I've looked up on YouTube and there's not really real in-depth videos on how to remove one. So this is going to be on a 91 Jeep Cherokee XJ. And so what you're going to need is a steering wheel puller. You can get them at AutoZone or Rallies for 53 bucks, and you can return them so you can get your money back, so it's good. So pretty much all you do is you get your little H pattern deal. I don't know what the real name for it is, but you see there is 2 bolts on each side of the steering wheel. You find which one the bolt fits in there and thread, and then you just tighten this down onto it, and it pulls the steering wheel out. And I already pulled it out, so I can just pull it out. But literally all it does is this mechanism right here, it tightens down onto here, and so it pulls the steering wheel actually off. So once you have that, and this is, I think this is called the H, I don't U type deal. I don't know what it is. It's called a polar extractor or something like that. So all you do is you get this set up right here on your pressure plate, and so what it does is it pushes this pressure plate downwards, backwards, and I don't know if you can really see it or not, but in the inside right there, there's a little tiny clamp, a little C-clip that you got to get pulled out. So I actually got to grab a little tiny flathead screwdriver, and you can just pop it out. And then once that's off, you can actually take, there's 3 screws inside. You take 1, 2, and 3 for the turn signal mechanism module, pull that out, and then you got your key ignition. Basically what's going on is my key ignition actually broke. I was being a Dumbo, and I tried locking it, and it actually broke when I locked it. So right now I'm actually trying to get the C-clip out of here, and this would be a lot easier if you actually have the little clip puller deals. Alright, so once you pull the pressure plate off, you want to remove this thingamabob. You want to remove that. The second to last step, so the next step will be to take these 3 screws out. So there's 1, 2, and 3. They're kind of hidden, so it'll be easier to actually just move your toggle switch, kind of like you're just engaging the actual turn signals. And so once you get that off, you can actually see it kind ofly. The key ignition cylinder goes right behind this module. So give me a second, I'm gonna get my screwdriver and actually take these 3 screws off. Oh dear God. Oh yeah, I forgot. You actually gotta take off your hazard switch too as well, so to actually get it pulled out. So it just takes a little Phillips, just like a good old Jeep. Everything's Phillips screwdriver. If you gotta take anything apart, make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver and a basic socket set.
So easy, even a Zach can take it apart.
Yeah, really, and that's why I really love this Jeep, because everything is so mechanically friendly.
America! Where's it at?
Alright, so you gotta be a little bit careful, because right behind...
No, fixing it, I thought I was gonna get sell it for salvage.
What?
I thought I was gonna get sell it for junk.
Oh, hell no. You be thinking twice on that, bud.
I don't care who you are, you can salvage in my Jeep.
We should do a video where we valet the Jeep.
Yes. I need to valet my Jeep. Sir, we can't park that here. Why not?
Put GoPros on the inside recording.
What the f is this? What is this piece of shit? I'm sorry, I'm kidding, Big Red. You're just bipolar ex-girlfriend.
Alright guys, 200 likes and we'll valet the Jeep for a video. I think that'd be pretty funny.
Alright, so we got the whole key ignition cylinder out, and I actually broke the little faceplate off of it too, so it would have been a lot easier if that would never gotten broken. So to put your whole new key ignition cylinder in, you just repeat the process, and that's how you do it. But since this is the first time I've done this on a Jeep, this is kind of a learning curve for me too. So as I'm doing it, we're gonna try to show you which is the easiest way and what not to do and what to do. And this is my new key ignition cylinder that I got up at O'Reilly's. It was $53 for a whole new key ignition cylinder, and it comes with brand new keys, which is fantastic. And you can see how they're both kind of similar, but I'm really hoping this is actually going to fit, because if not, then that sucks. So when you're reinstalling the new key ignition cylinder, don't be a little bit afraid to kind of just give it a little bit, an extra touch, you know, to push it in. So one way you can always tell it's in the right position. There we go. Old girl. Old red. Oh, big red. Big red. Big red. Big red. Okay, so key ignition works perfectly. So now all we gotta do is reinstall the actual steering wheel. So basically you're just gonna repeat what you did at the very beginning to initially take it off. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, thank God. So, good helpful tip on the old 91 Jeep Cherokees, don't ever try to put your key into the lock position. Just don't do it, because then you have to be, 9 times out of 10, you're gonna get this situation. Yes, so don't do that. So both, let me see if both keys work. Cool. I almost did what I said don't do. Okay, so after putting the turn signal module, after you put it back together, get that done, you grab your little horn button, slide that good old thing on there. Then you get your pressure plate, and you actually put the pressure plate back on the same way it goes. So, let's try to get this
Put the ring on first.
Yeah, we just gotta put the ring on, get the C-clip down inside this. A lot easier to do it that way, kind of just learned that. So, next step now is to actually put the little extractor onto it. You just slide this on there.
Who would have thought?
Okay, so to officially get your steering wheel put back on together, all you gotta do is tighten down this nut, and this nut will, to make sure you get it pretty tight, not like Superman freaking tight, but it's pretty tight so it doesn't come off again. But you want to get it down nice and snug. Okay, so after you get pretty snug, you know, where it's not. Okay, you don't want to strip it, so that's good right there. Put your little Jeep emblem, good deal right there, and call it good. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, do all that kind of fun stuff. You want to see us a little more, and if it helped you with your Jeep or with any other vehicle, let us know, because I actually kind of like doing these little how-tos because it helps me out a lot, because I learn while I'm doing this, so we can learn together. So yeah, peace.